This is the OTOKI Stir-Fry Cheesy Ramen Cup Noodle. It has a big 100-gram bowl. The flavor is cheddar and mascarpone. Unlike most cup noodles that you only open halfway, you can remove the lid of this cup noodle entirely. Inside there's a sachet of cheese powder mix and round-shaped instant noodles. Fill the bowl with room temperature water up to the inner line. Microwave it at 1000 watts for 4 minutes and 30 seconds. After taking it out, sprinkle cheese powder on top. Mix the noodles thoroughly. I didn't have a microwave in Hong Kong, so I cooked the noodles in a pan with boiling water. And after draining the water, I've put the noodles back in the bowl. This might be different from microwave noodles. After mixing it well, it will get this orange cheddar-like color. Here and there you can also find bits of dried parsley. The noodles have a chemical American cheese flavor, since it's supposed to taste like mac and cheese. But as someone who grew up with cheese from the Netherlands, I don't really like it. However, I do like the white and flat noodles that have a nice chewy texture that is similar to stir-fried flat rice noodles.